you must be knowing that yesterday we had some uh, issue with women and child department. Also, it was concerning ladies with disability. But at social welfare department for the last 2 years, things have fallen in place. The department is working with us. The department is treating us with respect. The department is passing our bills every 3 months, not every 2 years. The department understands the issue. The issues here are with the department is that the minister on top, Mr. Subhash Phaldesai, is a man who understands persons with disability. We appreciate him. We have issues with the department. It's not that they are listening to everything I'm saying. But he is an approachable minister. All the directors who have come here have been approachable. The staff is approachable. The assistant, everybody is approachable. Our issue with the social welfare department is kindly increase our grant value, which has been calculated at 2003. We are in 2023. They are working on increasing the grant. We have put in some good proposals. They have accepted the proposals. The second issue is there are no shelter homes for persons with disabilities. And because there are no shelter homes for persons with disabilities, and because the Act, RPW Act has been passed in 2019, these are the troubles. The troubles have started because of COVID. During COVID, people have lost their jobs and they are getting stressed. Now, in the last 3 years, the admission rate into the hospitals, that is the IPHB, has increased tremendously. But the IPHB does not keep you in them for more than 45 days. It is impossible to treat any chronic case of 15-20 years within 45 days. That is where we come in because we have the shelter homes. Now, if IPHB withdraws the support what they are showing us in the health sector, we will collapse. If the district hospital withdraws the support which they are showing in the health sector, we will collapse. Because we depend on these two people to treat the people with disabilities who are homeless or who are goans. Our request to the social welfare department is that please streamline all these departments, whether it comes under you or not, because they are all connected to persons with disabilities. Now, the third point, why are there are goans on the street, priority ladies? One is because of chronic inheritary, which IPHB also cannot do much. One is because of failed marriages. One is because of husband-wife problem. One is because of alcohol. One is because of drug abuse. One is because of prostitution. One is because of trafficked women. If you put all these sectors together and have some monitoring system, you can reduce the problems on the street. If you go around today in Panjim, you will find more than 20 ladies, Goan ladies on the street. What can we do? We cannot pick up each and every person. Fourth point, yesterday when we have been telling, we are not yesterday, for the last few weeks and few months we are telling Women and Child Deputy Director to solve our problem which is not solving. 2 days ago I issued letter to Director of Social Welfare, Minister of Social Welfare and Minister of Women and Child saying that this is our problem, we are going to shut the homes. The staff from Women and Child office, Minister's office is telling me, since you have brought these Goan ladies from this MLA, that minister, this social worker, please inform them to take them back. He is telling me that. So I informed my person, Mr. Arthur D'Souza, who is working as a volunteer with us full time. Sir, all these people have come from these people. Please inform them to take them back. This is what instruction has come from Women and Child Secretariat staff. He called them and told them, please go and look into the matter. That's why these activists went to the Women and Child Department. It's not that I called them. We have 20 people from Vasco in our home. We have 8 people from Naveli in our home. Who has brought them? Somebody has brought them. Police bring them. Activists bring them. Antisocial elements bring such people because sometimes they feel pity for them. So who do I put these people to? It is not that we wanted to do something. We were ready to solve the matter at Women and Child Department. The Women and Child Director didn't come down. The Women and Child Director didn't want even to open the door. And these activists had to take these people back. And the Women and Child official from the Secretariat is telling us, write to all the MLAs, write to all the Sarpanches and tell them to take the people back or you're closing your home. That's not my job. We are here to say that all the departments need to work together. Goa is a very small state. If the social welfare department, in spite of their limitations, are supporting persons with disabilities, why can't the women and child department support? Either you give these grants to this department and make us deal in one department. Why go to two departments? Our issue is nothing. Our issue is there should be no Goans on the street. And if they are on the street, they should get some relief. Getting the police to lift them up is not the solution. Getting somebody else to lift them up is not the solution. There has to be money given by both these departments. We appreciate social welfare department, like I said yesterday, they are giving us the money, but they are not giving us coins. They need to give us some notes. We appreciate women and child department, but they are making us dance. They need to get quick like this department. We appreciate IPHB, GMC, district hospital because they are doing good service towards the homeless who we are bringing from our home. We appreciate Register of Births and Deaths, Aadhaar office, because these people require to make Aadhaar cards. They are giving us good service. Civil supplies, RTO, traffic police. Sometimes our vehicles are parked in wrong places because of these people. They are not finding our vehicles. They are understanding these are people with disabilities. How many people we are going to put in the car and take them around? Sometimes they have to go for nature's call. Where will park the car? If they are on a particular way, they have to go somewhere, right? So we want to say this. CM should sort out our issues. We have a foolproof plan concerning all these departments where we can reduce homelessness, where we can reduce Goans with disabilities, and where we can reduce people living on the street. There are beggars. There are no beggars home. So disability will lead to homelessness on the street. Nobody simply is coming on the street because he has lost his mind. That's why he is living on the street. And if we don't solve this problem, it is going to increase.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.